love, that shit is so petty. Don't you go tweet about it, we can speak about it if you really with me. I'm being in the gas stations and the CVS is getting gibbies. Yeah, and if you really mind, nigga, word of mother, we gon' split it 50-50. Yeah, they call me a SoundCloud boy, they still on my sound now, boy. Feel like I'm really the king of my city, I got the crown now, boy. 238s on the side of me, looking like a cowboy, yeah. Niggas be acting like bitches, I might as well just call you town boy. Don't play with me, 38 on me, and I'm feeling so special. Niggas is lucky I'm busy getting money, cause I really could've left you. Pull up with my hoodie on the scene, so scary. I probably got more Mike and Mary Jean. I probably got more Mike and Mary Jeans than Mike and Mary. It's crazy. Yeah, rest in peace, Pop Smoke too. I've been doing a lot of Pop Smoke type beats just to keep his name alive type shit. Cause man, DTB for life, that's some fucked up shit. Yeah. But yeah, DTB for life. DTB for life. Yeah.
Yours, we It's just Maya.
You told me never say never, then you told me you would never get me set up. But love is a setup already. Should've said I loved you to a Bentley. My little niggas that ain't even graduate can't need a country, they felons already. But fuck it, at least they know better. Any nigga would tell, ain't no telling. I just seen niggas sell on they bread, but them niggas was there for you when you was struggling. I just seen niggas love on they bitch, ain't no kissing and hug her right after she sucking dick. And you gotta watch out for niggas that's watching your money, watch who you get money with. And don't you compete with your own gang, or don't you gon' be on the funny shit. Cause niggas were telling the whole gang, cause they was jealous, so jealous. I was addicted to bone, man, I did every American denim. I'm not a regular person, I do it, I'm always jealous. You gon' be loving the mosh pit and fuck it up like it's Coachella. Yeah, love is just like drugs. Yeah, fucking with that so far. Yeah, fucking